Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add currency converter in your Shopify store. At first, we are going to our apps section, and here click on all recommend apps. Now click Shopify App Store, and here search for Bug Currency Converter. So this is the app we are going to install, and this is free. Just click on that, install. Now it takes a few minutes. Okay, now click on install. Now it will be installed in our store, and after installed we will set up some simple configuration. It's loading. Okay, here you can see we have to complete onboarding process to the start using the app. So just let's click get started. And here step 1, set up money format. At first we have to set up money format in our store, so let's set up. And here you can see instruction. First go to Shopify settings and general, and then go to under store currency section, select change formatting. So first we are going to our Shopify settings section, go to currency, store currency, and here three dot icon, click on that, and we can see change currency formatting, click on that. And here you can see HTML with currency and HTML without currency. So now I am going to the copying the code, HTML code. This is the HTML with currency code. Just click on copy button and it will be copied. And now just paste the code here, Ctrl V, and pasted it. Now we have to port the HTML without currency. So let's go and copy the HTML without currency, copying, and just paste HTML without currency. Now click on save button, and now we see click on save button on right top settings. We have done it. Now go to next step. Next, I have done this. Okay, now it will be go next step. Okay, next we have to enable theme app extension. So currently it's incomplete. Now click on enable. This is step 2. Okay, now second step, enable theme app extension. So first go to theme app extension, just click on that, and it will be open the theme app extension. And next go to app embed and enable bugs. So here you can see bugs, it's currently disabled. Just click on that and it will be enabled. And now we have to save it, click on that, and it will be saved now. Okay, done, saved. And then I click I have done this. So our second step is done. Now third step is enable app. It's currently incomplete. Now click on that, enabled, and here you can see you are on the final step. We are now final step. Bug will be go on live soon. Okay, now click on enable the app. Congratulations, we have successfully enabled this. Okay, now we have to select all and click save. Now I am going to our online store. Let's see it's working or not. Yes, it's working. Here you can see the currency converter already enabled, and it's working fine, and all currency are showing. So currently it's showing the format is Taka BDT. So let's see change it by US dollar, and it's changed automatically. So this is how you can add currency converter to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. If you have any question, comment me. See you in the next video.